in this house. Oh, it's time to go to sleep. Good night, everybody.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Next is the letter I.
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 I is for island.
Island.
An island is land It's an ice cream truck. Ice cream starts with I. Who wants honey ice cream? Growl, I do. Bear took the honey ice cream. Who would like strawberry ice cream? Oink, oink, I do. Pig took the strawberry ice cream. Who would like the rainbow ice cream? Isaac does. Isaac wants the rainbow ice cream. The next letter is J.
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 J is for jelly bean.
Jelly bean.
Jelly beans are falling into the jar. Jar also starts with
J.
J. Listen, I hear music. It's coming from Francesca is swimming in the water. Hi, everybody. Who's following Francesca? Oh, it's a frog.
Frog.
Frog starts with
F.
F. Bye-bye, Mr. Frog. Wow, underwater is so beautiful.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
No, Mr. Elephant, don't eat the egg. Oh, good, Mr. Elephant. Now, who's riding the elephant? Hey, that's Ethan. Ethan's riding the elephant. Riding the elephant is so much fun. Next letter is F.
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 F is for fish.
Fish.
Fish live in the water. Oh, look, somebody is coming. Who is it? That's Francesca.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
The next letter is G.
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 G is for gorilla.
Gorilla.
The gorilla is swinging in the jungle. Who is this tall animal? This is a giraffe.
Giraffe.
Giraffe starts with
G.
G. And who is under the giraffe? It's a goat.
Goat.
Goat starts with
G.
G. The gorilla is going back to his home, and he has a friend following him. Who is that? That's George. George is swinging in the jungle. Swinging in the jungle is great. The next letter is H.
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 H is for house.
House.
Let's see who lives in this house. Who is that? That's a
Horse.
horse. Horse starts with
H.
H. Let's see who else lives in this house. Who's that? That's
Hippo.
a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus starts with
H.
H. Does anyone else live in this house? That's
Hummingbird.
a hummingbird. Hummingbird starts with
H.
H. Who else lives here? Who is this? That's Hannah. Hannah lives surrounded by water. My friends are making a sandcastle on the beach. Wait, what is this? Jack in the Box. Jack in the...
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
The next letter is K.
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 K is for kite.
Kite.
The kite is flying in the sky. Oh no, the kite is falling. It lands on a tree. Something is coming this way. It's a kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo starts with
K.
K. What's in the kangaroo's pouch? Look, it's a girl kangaroo. Here comes another kangaroo. What's in that kangaroo's pouch? It's a boy kangaroo. Here comes the third kangaroo. What's in that kangaroo's pouch? That's Kyle. Kyle's in the kangaroo's pouch. Oh, the kangaroos are jumping. Where is Kyle? There's Kyle. Kyle's in the middle. Oh, the kangaroos keep moving around. Where is Kyle? There's Kyle in the kangaroo on the left. Let's play the game one more time. We need to keep our eyes on the kangaroo. Boy, this is going really fast. Where's Kyle now?
Lion.
It looks like the lion is sleeping. Shh. What is it? Something is bothering the lion. It landed on the lion's nose. It is a ladybug.
Ladybug.
Ladybug starts with
L.
L. Uh-oh, the lion is going to catch the ladybug. Oh, my nose! He missed the ladybug. Oh, how did that happen? The next letter is L.
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 L is for lion.
Lion.
The box starts with
J.
J. And who's in the Jack in the Box? Surprise! It's Jackie! Jackie's in the Jack in the Box.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A,
The next letter is K.
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 K is for kite.
Kite.
The kite is flying in the sky. Oh no, the kite is falling. It lands on a tree. Something is coming this way. It's a kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo starts with
K.
K. What's in the kangaroo's pouch?